to discuss about relationships and emotional intelligence. Most common questions being asked is what's the biggest communication gap between partners today? Probably a lot of you would think about the rise of gadgets, right? Minsan kasi wala na tayong time eh. So sobrang busy ng mag-asawa lalo na kapag working kayo pareho. And then sabihin na natin you still don't have any kids. And then para nag-work, para kayo nag-earn, para kayo matalino. Well, coming from an experience, you don't get to have the time to talk to each other due to the rise of the technology, socials, di ba? Pag-uusapan nyo, trabaho pa din. Kakain kayo sa labas, kakain kayo sa bahay, pag-uusapan nyo, trabaho pa rin. So, diba, find ways on how to improve your relationship. It's not just about, it's okay to support each other in terms of work, but it's also, and your partner should explore in terms of ano yung dapat pag-usapan. Minsan kasi parang nagiging boring na eh, diba? Tama ba tayo? Nagiging boring na. Totoo yan habang tumatagal. Admittedly, oo, totoo. For some, this is just my own point of view, but yes, I think it helps na lumabas. Pero kung lalabas din lang kayo, tapos pag-uusapan ninyo, eh, walang iba kundi trabaho pa din. Anong na iba dun sa relationship ninyo, di ba? So, that's what this is all about. The communication gap that we have been talking since then. So, find ways. Number one, apart from work, pwede pa tayong lumabas, pag-usapan na natin yung bagong restaurant, yung pagkain. Pag-usapan natin yung saan tayo mag-debate, saan yung pwede natin balikan ng mga moments at niligaw pa lang. Punta natin yung school, punta natin itong ganitong simbahan, punta natin itong bago. But of course, that would depend on your budget. Pero, di ba, well off ka naman, well,